To begin using the ECO-Pro LITE model, place the repair pads into the machine. Ensure that both pads are securely fitted to the machine. After securing the repair pads to the machine, take your 120 milliliter compound bottle and replace the cap with an applicator tip. The applicator tip is essential to the repair process on the ECO-Pro LITE machine. Once placing the applicator tip onto the compound bottle, your machine is ready for repairs. First, place your disc into the machine. Then, add 2 pea-sized compound drops in the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock position on the disc. Then, close the machine. To add time to your repair, click the Start button. Clicking the Start button will double the time up to 4 minutes per disc. If you've selected a longer repair time, the machine will automatically open up and ask for more compound during the repair process. Once again, place a pea-sized amount of compound in the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock position. Then close the machine, and the machine will continue on its repair.